Hello everyone, welcome back to another crafty decor party. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you how to decorate a Christmas tree. So this is episode 13 in my huge I Love Christmas series. You guys, we are having the biggest Christmas party on my channel. If you need to catch up on any of the other episodes, I'm gonna link the huge I Love Christmas playlist down below. I also did over 100 Dollar Tree fall decor DIYs. You guys, I am totally crazy about crafting and sharing with you guys how to make your homes boutique gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget. So without further ado, grab some ribbons, ornament, creativity, and let's get to decorating. So to get started, I just want to go ahead and put my Christmas tree together. My Santa Pops bought this Christmas tree for me last year at Walmart. It is a 6.5 foot Christmas tree. It comes in 3 pieces and it is already pre-lit. I absolutely love it, this flocked Christmas tree. It does shed just a bit, so if you guys don't care for the shedding, you may want to go with just a regular tree. And also, I know designers always say to try to touch every branch, so you really want to try to fluff your tree out really good to make it look just a little bit more realistic and natural. Now I'm going to go in with this burlap ribbon. This is not wired ribbon, and I'm just going to start at the top, and I'm going to create like little ribbon loops to kind of wave it down the tree. So I want to, when you're looking at the tree, create 2 waves on each side and then a wave down the center. So I'm just pushing the ribbon in and then I'm pulling it back out in about 12 to 16 inch loops. And so I did one side of the tree and now I'm going in with the other side of the tree. And if you guys don't have a flocked tree or you want it to be a little bit more secure in there, you could always use some floral wire or a pipe cleaner to secure it. But that flocking really kind of helps hold the ribbon. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that burlapfabric.com is offering you all a $5 off coupon. This burlap comes in 100-yard rolls, and I will leave the coupon code below in the description box if you guys are going to be decorating with burlap this season. I'm going to be using quite a bit of it to do kind of a glam rustic Christmas. So here it is with all of the burlap put into the tree, and now I'm just going in with some Hobby Lobby buffalo check plaid ribbon. They also have this buffalo check plaid ribbon at Walmart, and I'm just going to follow the lines of my burlap ribbon, and I'm just going to push the Hobby Lobby ribbon into the burlap ribbon, and so that flocking just kind of holds it. It doesn't have to be perfectly flush against the burlap. I like it to kind of be wavy and cascading. So I ended up doing 5 layers of these loops, so you guys can see one on either side of the tree and then one that comes down the front and then 2 in the back to go ahead and finish it off. Now for this tree, I want to go in with a smaller wired silver ribbon. This is just going to give my tree a little bit of extra sparkle and shine. So I'm taking that silver ribbon and I just kind of twist tied it with the little evergreen branches, and then I'm just kind of looping it in and around some of the burlap and the buffalo check plaid ribbon. And I think this is looking so gorgeous, you guys. I've had this idea for this tree floating around in my head for a while now, and I'm so excited to be able to execute it. And here it is with just the ribboning done. Now remember, you all can use this same ribboning style and just customize it to whatever holiday colors you're decorating with. So you can combine it with reds and greens, or just do all glam. You could do pinks, purples, blues, and golds. Whatever colors you guys are using, definitely change it out to suit your fancy. So now I'm just taking this greenery. I use this greenery piece in almost every display. I found it at Michael's, and it's just kind of like a cascading, dripping greenery, and I'm adding it to the top of the tree. And now I'm just going to take and make a large burlap bow. I just looped the ribbon over on itself, and then I'm twist tying the center with this pipe cleaner, and I'm going to pull my loops out. Now I'm going to make an Olivia bow with the buffalo check plaid ribbon. And so I just took the ribbon. This is so easy, you guys. Just loop the ribbon over on itself several times until you have 3 loops on either side. And then I'm untying the pipe cleaner and I'm just going to tie the buffalo check plaid ribbon onto that. I want this to be a really big, over the top, fabulous bow to go on the top of my Christmas tree. And once you give it a little bit of fluffing, this is how it's going to look. And then I did go ahead and add some silver ribbon as well. So again, this is the same process. I'm just looping it over on itself until I get several layers. Just use however many layers that you love. And then I'm going to twist tie it into the center of this. And I actually do have a bow maker. It's called the Pro Bow the Hand. And I ended up using that for part of the bow on this tree. So now I'm just going to take and I'm going to twist tie with a pipe cleaner this bow onto the tree. And I do fluff my bow after I get it on. And you guys can see in the back there's another bow that's very similar to this one that I just tied to the back. So these are actually 2 bows put together. Now I'm taking some of that Dollar Tree. It's a frosted evergreen that they're selling. You guys have to grab that if you see it. It's super cheap and gorgeous. And then I'm adding in some of the pine cone and cotton Dollar Tree stems. So I added 2 of the evergreen branches and then 2 of the cotton and pine cone stems. I thought that would be super gorgeous for kind of this glam look. And then I'm taking some of those Dollar Tree white berries and I cut them apart on their stems and I'm just adding that to the top. So for this tree topper, you're just going to pipe cleaner it on. And then I did even add some lamb's ear that I found at Walmart from the fall season. So now that we have all of our ribbons and bows on, I'm going to take some Dollar Tree ornaments and just begin to kind of push them into my tree. Again, the flocking really helps them stay really well. So I'm using these larger white sparkling ornaments. I actually got those at the thrift store a couple of years ago. And then I'm using some of those Dollar Tree sparkling ornaments, the ones that have kind of like the little mirrored accents on them. And then Dollar Tree is also selling some really beautiful ornaments with pearls on them. I found quite a few of those and I added those to this tree as well. They come in an ornament shape and a Christmas tree shape and they're white and then the champagne color. Now I'm using some of those cute little owls. I added those and then we also did a bunch of ornament DIYs on my channel with the Dollar Tree baby blankets. I have those added in and around the base and up a little bit higher as well. And here it is. There is that snowman that we DIY'd as well as that large oversized package. There's the Dollar Tree little pillow that we made. We DIY'd the ladder, the glam candles back there. Pretty much everything, a lot of what you guys see here, excluding that wood chip tree, is DIY. This was a garland that we DIY'd. It was a Dollar Tree garland. It came out so fabulous. I was so excited. It's a collaboration with my dear friend Ramon at home. And also just this beautiful tree. You guys, I was over the moon excited for this. And then the little ladder over there was super fun. We made it using the Walmart paint sticks and some scrap board. So here is this tree. Comment and let me know what you guys think about this. I was over the moon to try this. Again, I've had this idea in my head for quite some time and I think it came out so gorgeous. Sparkling glam with a little bit of farmhouse rustic flair. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am so excited for Christmas. I am just crushing on all of these fun DIYs. Hey, also, if you guys need to catch up on my DIYs, definitely click on the huge I Love Christmas playlist down below. If you love home Christmas decor, definitely check out my girl Liz at Traditions by the Season. I'm going to leave her channel link down below. She started on Christmas and you guys are going to adore her. She is a super decorator and just an amazing, wonderful friend and absolutely gorgeous and fabulous. So also, here is just a recap of some of the series episodes that we've done. We put up my Christmas tree in the very first episode of my I Love Christmas series. And then I shared with you guys some of the amazing Dollar Tree finds with their ornaments. Then we did some DIYs, repurposing pumpkins and old beach balls to make ornaments. That one was so fun. And then we made this DIY little snowman sign and a DIY gnome. I also shared with you guys how to doll up those Dollar Tree inexpensive trees with elf style, candy cane style. We're going glam, you guys, you name it. thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous DIY crafty decor party. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my little community here. Everybody here is so kind and sweet, and for everybody that comes back and shares and likes and comments on my videos, thank you all so much. It is a true blessing and a total honor to have you all here. Again, this is another episode in my huge I Love Christmas series. If you guys need to catch up on the rest of the I Love Christmas series, I'm gonna link a huge I Love Christmas series playlist down below for you guys to check out. I also did over 100 fall decor DIYs if you guys are totally jamming out on fall. So thank you guys again for being here. I also want to give a shout out to another wonderful YouTuber that I absolutely adore, and it is Liz at Traditions by the Season. She has an amazing home decor channel. She is also just fabulous, funny, and over the top wonderful. So hey Liz, thank you for the shout out on your channel. I absolutely adore you. I'm gonna link her channel down below. You guys have to go check her out if you love my channel. So thank you guys again. I love you to the moon and back. I cannot wait for the next video. Until next time, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.